What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kanina, and this is another friendly reminder. So, y'all, hope you guys are doing great. Hope you guys are um, reaching your goals, setting your goals. And you guys, happy Friday. So, we made it, y'all. We have made it to Friday. Y'all, so as you can see, this video is a little late. It is now 6:07 on Friday. This video probably won't be uploaded. I don't know, it probably won't be uploaded to about 7 maybe, because I'm gonna go ahead and finish it, and then we're gonna go from there. So, we're gonna be talking about mastering time management. I'm gonna give you guys some tips for efficiency and effectiveness. So, you guys, time is one of our precious resources. It's actually the most precious resource because it's one that you cannot, get back. So, mastering time management is a key. It's key to achieving success and productivity in both personal and professional life. Excuse me, y'all. So, effective time management involves the ability to prioritize tasks, set achievable goals, and manage time efficiently. So, I'm going to give you guys some tips for mastering your time management. And I'm also going to put I'm going to put in the download. I'm going to put a picture on my website so you guys can go in and download it, or you can right click and save it and print it out. So it's gonna be my time management sheet. Like I told you guys how I manage my time, and um, all it is, if you guys don't know where to get these from, I'm gonna put them on my website, and you can just go and you can just download or right click and save it to your computer and print it out as a full sheet. So the first thing you want to do is you want to set clear goals. Right now, I'm also working on one of those. I'm gonna let you guys know about it later. I'm probably gonna check the community tab so you guys can know. But set clear goals. So to manage time efficiently, it is important to have clear goals. Set specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time bound goals. I know you guys are like, well, we heard that before. That's SMART goals. We talked about SMART goals before. So, for both short term and long term, having a clear sense of direction will help you to prioritize tasks and focus your efforts on the most important activities. So, the second thing you want to do is you want to prioritize those tasks, prioritize those goals, prioritize those tasks. Once you have set your goals, it is important to prioritize your tasks. So identify which tasks are urgent and important and prioritize them accordingly. Use tools like to-do lists, task managers, and calendars to keep track of your priorities and stay focused. So this is what I'm creating now. I'm actually creating it in AI, Adobe Illustrator. So it's going to be basically a book with everything in it that you need to, stay focused, stay on track. So anyway, um, like I was saying, prioritize your tasks. You want to keep track of your priorities and stay focused. So then the next thing you want to do is learn to say no. So saying yes to everything can lead to overload and burnout. Who wants to be burnt out? So learn to say no to tasks that are not important, or that do not align with your goals. You know, if they don't serve you, then don't do it. This will free up time for the tasks that matter the most. The next thing, you want to manage distractions. Distractions can be a major obstacle to effective time management. Avoid checking your phone, social media, or email during important tasks. Set aside time for distractions like checking emails or social media and limit the time spent on them. So you don't want to like be checking your IG all day. I understand like some people work on IG, some people, you have to post your business there. Do a couple of times like um, set yourself a schedule. Like basically, how many posts do you want to do a day for engagement if you are doing, like, if you are running your business on there? So do that versus just scrolling, because they have infinite scroll on Instagram, y'all. So y'all can just keep scrolling, and you, before you know it, you be to scroll for a whole damn hour and two and don't even know like what am I doing? So yeah, manage those distractions. So the next thing would be to focus on one task at a time. Multitasking can be counterproductive and lead to decreased productivity. So instead, focus on one task at a time and give it your full attention. This will help you complete tasks more efficiently and effectively. So, since I have been using my to do list and actually doing what's on my to do list, and only that, so I might, like, what I'll do is I'll start in the morning, write down everything that I need to do, or I write down all my tasks, and then I do them one by one. So, it helps you complete more tasks efficiently and effectively. Then you break them down to into smaller pieces. So if you have like, oh, I'm gonna clean my entire house, like, it's gonna look overwhelming to you because damn, you got a 5 bedroom house plus the restroom plus the so then you'll be like, okay, so how about I'll just clean the kitchen first and then clean the restroom and then clean my room and then clean, and then laundry and then, or if you have like business things, if you're in your business, you want to like write down things like, okay, I'm going to call 10 people during this hour, or I'm going to send 20 emails during this hour and a half. Or, so you want to do that. Like, because large tasks can be overwhelming, but breaking them down into smaller pieces can make them more manageable, make them more achievable, so set those milestones for larger tasks and work towards them one step at a time. Then you want to delegate tasks. Delegating tasks can help free up time and increase efficiency. So identify the tasks that can be delegated and assign them to appropriate team members or coworkers. So if you are working with, like, me and my husband, we're a husband and wife team. So we are, it's us two, you know. I handle certain things, he handles certain things, so it's us, so we have certain tasks. But if it's when it's just me, in the office, or it's just me, then delegating my tasks, I just write down everything that I need from prioritized by the first one would be the most important, and I go from there. So that's what you want to do. You want to, assign them to appropriate team members or coworkers. But if you are working solo, then you want to break them down into smaller pieces and focus on them one at a time. So, okay, the next thing you want to do is take breaks. You want to take regular breaks because it's essential for maintaining productivity and focus. So, take short breaks throughout the day to recharge and refocus your attention. You can like take a short nap, take maybe you want to like go in the room, lay down, meditate or something, or you want to like sit at your desk, meditate or something, just focus on your breathing, focus on your breath, close your eyes for a minute and, take yourself away and then bring yourself back and then, go from there. So, okay, the next thing would be to use technology to your advantage. So, there are many tools and apps available that can help you manage your time more efficiently. So, use the technology to your advantage by using task managers, calendars, and other tools that streamline your work and increase productivity. So, like I said, you're going to be able to find my um my awesome time management sheet. You'll be able to find it on my website. And all you gotta do is click on my link, and I'm going to have a link. Click on my blog, and then I'm gonna have a link at the top of the screen, and it's gonna say go here to get the time management sheet or something like that. So just look out for it. I'll post on my community when it's there, when I upload it. Okay, so use technology to your advantage. You want to, if you, okay, your phones, each and every phone has a calendar. So you want to set your schedule within that calendar. Set your, what time you're going to wake up, what time you're going to get the day started, what time you're going to do this, what time you're going to do that, what time you put yourself on a schedule if you're not already on a schedule. So, okay, then, and the next thing would be to evaluate and adjust your strategy. So, effective time management requires ongoing evaluation and adjustment. So you will have to continuously, focus on your time. Where's your time going? So you want to regularly review your goals, priorities, and tasks to ensure that you're on the right track and that you're making progress. So, adjust your strategy as needed to optimize efficiency and effectiveness. So, that is what you have to be adaptable. You have to be ready to adjust, ready to, as needed, basically. Because if you're not ready, then it'll kind of set you back. So you don't want to be set back. So, with that being said, mastering time management is essential for achieving success and productivity in both personal and professional life. So, set clear goals, prioritize tasks, learn to say no, manage distractions, focus on one task at a time, break tasks into smaller pieces, delegate tasks, take breaks, use technology to your advantage, and regularly evaluate, adjust your strategy. By implementing these tips, you can manage your time more effectively and efficiently. So, I mean, you can also achieve your goals and reach your full potential. Manifest the greatness you desire. All right, y'all. This is your girl, Kanina. And it's been another friendly reminder. Thank y'all for watching. I appreciate you guys. Don't forget to check the link below if you guys want to um, book a session for the one on ones. I have the one on one business building session. I have the one on ones meditation session. You guys can pick up the Dirty 30 Guide to Wealth down below. And I'm also going to let you guys know when the other, my other project is going to be revealed. So, with that being said, y'all, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Y'all have a great day and enjoy your weekend. All right. Peace out. Oh, you know what? I might think about like uploading my like a vlog on Sundays. It's gonna be like maybe my personal vlog or like, maybe a business vlog. I'm not sure. But if you guys think that would be a cool thing, then let me know. So if you made it this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.